Hi there. Looks like we're saying bye to 2019 together. That means my Holiday Glam video number 505 is to welcome 2020 and give thanks for another fresh start. So let's go on with it. Toner. I'm taking this one with me to 2020. And these two as well. Brows. A bit of black. Single foundation to show my freckles a bit. Love your skin for what it is, hey. So as you can see, this isn't just cleanup. It's cleanup and whole face. The eyeshadow look I'm going for won't be too messy, so it's okay to put the foundation on ahead. Doing browns for the base. Shadows. Black for more definition. Blending. Lightening the middle and setting it up for sparkles. I'm making the bottom part mirror the top. Some highlights. Eyeliner. Lashes. Since I don't want you to enter 2020 without ample lash application know-how, here is an extended but still sped up version of my lash struggle, kind of. Mascara and squinting accordingly. bottom lashes. Final touches for the eyes. Dainty, fresh and pretty. Powder. Highlighter. Bronzer. Full contouring before blush. Very lightly blushing. Mixing these two. Sense the pinkness of the pink lipstick. I think this would be a good brighter bridesmaid look, don't you? I feel quite happy. Anyway, that's it for 2019. I've managed to make 5 holiday glam videos. Have an extraordinary year ahead. See ya!